orange, apple, Shrek! So Ollie, I can't figure out how to connect my AirPods to my phone. What setting to go to get to the Bluetooth. I don't know how to play I just want to play my music, but like, it's just not letting me. Do you know what to do?
Silas, that's...
Well, I can't connect it.
That's a flip phone.
Okay.
That
Are you judging me?
probably does not work.
It works.
It's not even on.
I need to charge it.
Okay.
Look at all this wood.
You get it? 'Cause I
Oh, he's closing the gate on us. We got time. It's not 5 yet. Okay,
Hey Ollie, you like my wood? This is a good piece of wood.
Yeah, this is good. We're nice and mature around here.
So guys, we're getting 12 pieces, 2x4s, 8 feet long. We'll use for the studs in the room. We've already made the main.
Hey, Silas.
Yeah.
Aren't there enough studs in our house already?
We're off to see the wizard.
The Wonderful Wizard of Oz.
Country road, take me home to the place I belong, West Virginia. Oh, you filming? Guys, look around. We finally made it to Thailand. Are you good, Ollie? You good, Ollie? Are you good, Ollie? Are you good, Ollie? Ah!
Huh? Huh?
Huh?
I smell chickens!
Yo, this is the biggest flex of the century right here. Yo, so we had a storm last night, and this branch fell. And this is my bedroom right here. I could have died. This tree's actually about to fall down soon. That's gonna be tough.
I can't get back there.
Silas, stop.
Silas,
Stop.
Ah!
Silas, stop that. Stop that.
He's scared.
Stop.